It's class 6C. So today I will start the chapter Early Humans. So I will start the chapter. So first thing I will tell you what is the features of early humans. First one, evolution of man. Stone Age is its classification. Life of the early man and early discoveries and inventions. So timeline is a very important question for 5 or 4 marks. So timeline, Paleolithic age. What is the time period of Paleolithic age? 5 lakh to 10,000. 5 lakh to 10,000 Paleolithic age. Mesolithic age 10,000 to 8,000. Paleolithic age, it means 4,000 to 10,000. Neolithic age 8,000 to 4,000. Iron age 1200. Again I will repeat, Paleolithic age 5 lakh to 10,000. Mesolithic age 10,000 to 8,000. Paleolithic age 4,000 to 2,000. Now Neolithic age 8,000 to 4,000. Iron age 12,000. So I will start the chapter Early Humans. So first of all, evolution of man. So according to the most scientists, the Earth was formed approx 4.6 billion years ago. In comparison, the story of man on our planet is relatively new. Present day human beings descended from ape-like ancestors who walked on four limbs through the process of evolution. This evolution started around 1500 billion years ago. The age in which the earliest human being lived is called the prehistoric period. Prehistoric period, the age in which the earliest human being lived is called the prehistoric period. Now, to find clues about the early men, anthropologists examine. Anthropologist means a person who studies the physical evolution of human beings. To find the clues about the early men, anthropologists examine. What is the meaning of anthropologist? Anthropologist, a person who studies the physical evolution of human beings. The bones of the early men, the bones of the found near them, artifacts such as the weapons and implements used by early men. Now the origin of men. According to the Charles Darwin, a renowned biologist, all human beings evolved from ape-like ancestors called hominids, who gradually learned to stand upright. Anthropologists call them Homo or the erect ape man. The species to which, what is the meaning of species? A group of living organisms having some common attributes. Clear? So, Homo sapiens appeared only about 35,000 years ago. It is believed that Africa was the first home of the Homo sapiens. What is the Homo sapiens? Homo sapiens appeared only about 35,000 years ago. It is believed that Africa was the first home of the Homo sapiens, and from there man migrated to other parts of the world. Certain features gave humans an edge over other animals. These includes large brain and capacity to reason or think. Second thing, speech which enabled man to communicate and to share the knowledge. Next thing, bipedism freed the hands and the man could carry things, make tools and wild weapons for his protection. Opposable thumb helped man to grasp objects. So what is the meaning of opposable? Capable of being placed opposite to something else. What is the meaning of opposable? Capable of being placed opposite to something else. Stone Age. Now the next point is stone is a very important part for you people. So I will tell you what is the Stone Age. Stone Age, since stones were used on a large scales to make tools. The prehistoric age is known as the Stone Age. I will repeat again. Since stone were used on a large scale to make tools, the prehistoric age is known as the Stone Age, which lasted roughly from about 2 million years ago to 10,000 years ago. What is the timeline of Stone Age? 10,000 years ago, the Stone Age is further divided according to the type of the stone tools used into Paleolithic Age. What is the meaning of Paleolithic Age? Old Stone Age. Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Caryolithic Age, Copper Stone Age. Clear? Now the next I will tell you